In this video, you will learn 12 different ways on how you can make money online. In our digital age, the internet isn't just for social media and cat videos, it's also a vast landscape brimming with potential for financial gain. Today, we're going to explore 12 effective ways to tap into this potential and start making money online. These methods are accessible to just about anyone, regardless of your skills or experience. Whether you're a wordsmith, an artist, an educator, or even a savvy shopper, there's a method here that can turn your time and effort into cold, hard cash. The benefits of making money online are substantial. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere, and create multiple streams of income. Plus, with the right strategies, your earning potential could be virtually limitless. So, are you ready to transform your internet browsing into a profitable venture? Stay tuned as we dive into the first way to make money online. Welcome to Cash Flow Zone, the channel that caters to all your business and financial needs. So be sure to hit the red subscribe button, like, and share the video. Scene script. First up, we have freelancing. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and choosing the projects that resonate with you. That's the freelancer's life in a nutshell. But what exactly is freelancing? Well, it's essentially a form of self-employment where individuals offer their skills or services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a programmer, or a marketing guru, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are great starting points, connecting freelancers with clients seeking their expertise. Now let's talk about potential income. It varies widely depending on your skill set and experience. Some freelancers make a modest side income, while others pull in a hefty six-figure salary. The key is to build a strong portfolio and reputation. Remember, the more value you can provide to your clients, the more you can charge for your services. So, if you have a skill, freelancing could be your ticket to making money online. Second point, we have online teaching or tutoring, a burgeoning field with massive potential, especially in today's digital age. The demand for online education is spiraling upwards, fueled by the convenience and flexibility it provides to learners across the globe. Now, how do you get started? First, identify your area of expertise. It could be anything from a school subject like mathematics or a language, to a skill like playing the guitar or coding. Then sign up on online tutoring platforms where you can connect with students. But here's the catch. You must be able to share your knowledge effectively. This means having good communication skills and the ability to simplify complex concepts. As for potential income, it varies greatly depending on your expertise and the platform you're using. But with consistent effort and quality teaching, you can earn a substantial income. So, if you're someone with knowledge to share, online teaching or tutoring could be your online goldmine. Moving on to the third way, affiliate marketing. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for marketing someone else's product or service. Getting started is pretty straightforward. First, you need to choose a product or service that you're passionate about. Next, you find an affiliate program for that product or service. Once accepted, you'll get a unique affiliate link that you can share on your blog, social media, or website. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The more people you can reach, the higher your potential earnings. Some affiliates make a few $100s a month, while others make tens of thousands. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right product, building an audience, and promoting your affiliate link effectively. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can be a profitable online venture. The fourth way is selling products online. This is a fantastic avenue that allows you to reach a global market at the click of a button. You can sell just about anything, from handmade arts and crafts to unique vintage finds, or even digital products like ebooks and online courses. There are countless platforms to get started, with big names like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy offering a great place to begin. These platforms have streamlined the process, making it easier than ever to create your online shop and start selling. But it's not just about setting up shop. To be successful, you need to understand your market, price your products competitively, and promote your products effectively. The potential income from selling products online can vary greatly depending on what you're selling and how well you market your shop. But with dedication, creativity, and a little bit of luck, your online shop can become a significant source of income. Selling products online can turn your business idea into a reality. Number 5 is blogging. A blog, short for weblog, is an online journal where you can share your thoughts, ideas, and expertise. But did you know it can also be a source of income? To get started, you'll need to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a sizable audience. Once you've selected your topic and set up your blog, the next step is to monetize it. You can do this through affiliate marketing, where you promote others' products and earn a commission on every sale made through your blog. You can also make money by selling ad space, offering sponsored posts, or through Google AdSense, where you earn money each time a visitor clicks on an ad. Remember, consistency is key in the blogging world. You need to regularly create and publish high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your readers. With time, dedication, and a bit of marketing, your blog could attract a large following and become a significant source of income. A successful blog can be a steady source of online income. The sixth way is through online surveys and reviews. Now, this is a method that's really accessible to just about anyone. All you need is a device with internet access and a bit of spare time. There are countless websites out there that pay you to take surveys or write reviews, but be cautious. Not all are legitimate. To find the reliable ones, conduct thorough research, read reviews about the survey site itself, and always check their privacy policy. Once you've found a trustworthy site, getting started is quite straightforward. You typically create an account, fill out some demographic information, and then you're ready to take surveys or write reviews. As for potential income, it varies. Some surveys pay a few cents, some a few dollars. It won't replace a full-time job, but it's a convenient way to earn a little extra on the side. Online surveys and reviews can be a quick way to make some extra cash. 7 and 8. Stock market and Forex trading. Moving on to a more complex way, stock market and Forex trading. Let's delve into the fascinating world of stocks and foreign exchange markets. A stock market is a place where buyers and sellers trade shares of publicly listed companies. It's like an auction house where people bid on the price of these shares. Forex trading, on the other hand, is the buying and selling of currencies. It's like a global marketplace where all the world's currencies trade. Getting started in these markets is not as daunting as it may seem. You'll need to open a brokerage account first. This account will allow you to buy and sell stocks or currencies. There are plenty of online platforms that offer this service, so choose one that suits your needs. Once you have your account, it's time to start studying the market. Look at trends, read financial news, and educate yourself on the companies or currencies you're interested in. The potential income from stock market and Forex trading can be substantial. Successful traders have made millions, even billions, from their trades. But let's be clear, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes knowledge, skill, and a good understanding of the market to make profitable trades. And that brings us to the risks involved. Stock and Forex trading is not for the faint-hearted. The markets are volatile, and prices can fluctuate greatly in a short period. This means you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot. It's important to only invest money that you can afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure your gains. In addition, always keep in mind that trading involves a significant amount of research and analysis. It's not something you can do on a whim. You need to be disciplined, patient, and ready to learn from your mistakes. Stock market and Forex trading can be profitable, but remember, it also comes with risks. So if you're ready to take the plunge, start learning. And who knows? You might just find your next big money-making adventure. 9. YouTube channel. Next, starting a YouTube channel. It's a platform that's teeming with potential for anyone with a unique voice or perspective. To kick off, you'll need to create your channel. Simple enough, right? But here's where it gets interesting. You need to find your niche, something you're passionate about, and can consistently produce content on. The key to success lies in your content's quality and your commitment to engage with your audience. Now, on to monetization. YouTube offers several ways to earn, including ad revenue, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf. Once you've amassed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. But remember, it's not an overnight success story. It requires patience, creativity, and persistence. With a unique idea, the right approach, and a bit of luck, you could be the next YouTube sensation. With a successful YouTube channel, you can make a substantial online income. 10. Podcasting. The 10th way is through podcasting. Now, podcasting is an amazing platform to share your knowledge, thoughts, and stories with the world. But how do you turn this into a revenue stream? Well, it's actually quite straightforward. Firstly, you need to start a podcast. Choose a niche you're passionate about, something that can keep your listeners hooked. Then, create compelling content that resonates with your audience. Once you have a steady listener base, you can monetize your podcast in several ways. Sponsorship is a common method where businesses pay you to advertise their products or services during your podcast. Another avenue is through listener donations or crowdfunding. You could also create premium content or a membership model for your most loyal listeners. And let's not forget about affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral. The potential for income here is substantial, provided you're ready to put in the effort and deliver quality content. Podcasting can be a rewarding way to make money online. Scene script 11. Online coaching. Next, we have online coaching. Imagine sharing your expertise with the world and getting paid for it. That's the beauty of online coaching. It's a platform where you can offer one-on-one sessions or group classes to individuals who are eager to learn from your experience. You might be wondering, how do I get started? First, identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you excel in? Once you've figured that out, set up a professional website or use an online coaching platform. Then, market your services. Social media, email marketing, and SEO are excellent tools to reach potential clients. The potential for income? It's massive. Some coaches earn a comfortable living while others make 6 figures annually. Your earnings depend on your niche, your marketing efforts, and most importantly, the value you provide to your clients. If you're an expert in a field, online coaching could be your online income source. So consider this avenue as you explore ways to make money online. 12. Social media influencer. Last but not least, becoming a social media influencer. This is a role that may seem elusive, but it's more attainable than you may think. Essentially, a social media influencer is someone who has built a reputation and following online by sharing their thoughts, experiences, and lifestyle. So how do you become one? Start by finding your niche, something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Then create engaging content around that topic and share it on your social media platforms. As your audience grows, so too does your influence. Now let's talk income. As an influencer, you can make money in a variety of ways. Sponsored posts, product endorsements, and collaborations are common. Some influencers also create their own products or offer paid services. But remember, authenticity is key. Your followers trust your opinion, so it's important to only endorse products you genuinely believe in. Being a social media influencer can be a fun and profitable online venture. So, those were the 12 ways to make money online. We kicked things off with freelancing, a flexible option that allows you to work on your terms and your schedule. Then, we moved on to online teaching or tutoring, which is a wonderful way to share your knowledge with others and earn from it. We dove into the world of affiliate marketing next, where promoting products and earning commissions can become a lucrative business. Then, we explored the realm of selling products online, a tactic that can transform a simple idea or hobby into a profitable venture. Blogging was our next stop, a platform that allows you to share your thoughts, experiences, and expertise with the world while earning from ad revenue or sponsored content. We also discussed online surveys and reviews, a straightforward way to earn extra cash by sharing your opinions. Next, we delved into the exciting and sometimes unpredictable world of the stock market and Forex trading. This method requires a bit of knowledge and strategy but can yield high returns. Our journey then took us to starting a YouTube channel, a creative outlet that can also generate income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. We also touched on podcasting, a growing platform that offers an opportunity to monetize your voice and your content. We also discussed online coaching, where you can leverage your expertise to guide others on their journey. And finally, we looked at becoming a social media influencer, a role that can turn your online presence into a money-making machine. And there you have it. Whether you're interested in selling, teaching, influencing, or trading, there's a method that suits you, so why not give it a try? See where your skills, interests, and passions can lead you in the digital world. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Remember, the online world is full of opportunities. It's up to you to seize them. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring those online ventures. We have a video on the top 10 companies in the world. Surprisingly, the majority of these companies make money online. Watch the video to learn more about these leading brands for inspiration. The link of the video will be in the description. Let us know in the comments what other topic you will want next. Thanks for watching today's video till the end. Click on the link below to watch more videos from Cashflow Zone. This video is very educative and can help others. Please share, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any one of our videos. See you in the next one.